Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nilima Entertainment. If you are planning to participate in campus placements, off campus drives, or company hiring through Superset, then the first step is creating your Superset account. So, in today's video, I will guide you through the complete registration process step by step and explain every section and also share a few important tips to help you avoid common mistakes. So, before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video so you never miss any useful updates. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started to the video. First, open your browser and search for Superset Careers or join superset.com. Once the home page opens, you will see the sign up option on the right side. So click on it to begin your registration. In the step 2, click start registering. So once the page loads, you will see the Superset registration portal. Here your registration process is divided into different sections like basic details, contact details, and education, previous education, and work experiences if you have any. And then you have to upload a profile photo with a white background mostly, and upload the documents such as a updated resume and certifications if any. Okay, and finally, all done, your registration is completed. Okay, important tip, always make sure your name and date of birth match your official documents. Okay, incorrect details may create problems during document verification. Upload latest resume in PDF format. Okay, uh, review all the information you have entered correctly or not at the end. Okay, if everything is correct, click on submit and complete the registration. That's it, your Superset account has now been created successfully. So if you have any doubts regarding this registration, please comment down. I will definitely reply. So once your account is created, log in using your registered email ID and password. From your dashboard, you can update your profile and apply for campus drives, track applications, and receive hiring notification from different companies. Okay, so keep your profile updated regularly because many recruiters shortlist candidates based on their superset profiles only. Okay, before ending this video, I will give you a few important tips. Always use your personal email ID and enter your academic details correctly. Keep your profile professional and updated regularly. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can create your Superset account successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nilima Entertainment for placement updates, hiring guides, interview preparation, and career tips. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. All the best for your placements.